welcome. I'm Kush Tats, for those of you who don't know me, and some of you who do know me. This part is going to kind of be really important if you want to get color for your tattoos. Now, a lot of people ask me all the time, I'm dark skinned. Can I get color? And the answer is yes and no. Yes, you can get color, but no, you can't quite get any color you want, and it won't kind of stay on the outside because the way tattoo pigments work is that it goes between like the first and the second layer of your skin. So no matter what happens, your skin color will always grow over whatever color you get. So what you need is an artist who understands color theory. That's very important because what this means is that they can kind of apply the same artwork to any skin tone or skin range and understand what is needed to match the contrast, to match the values, highlights, shadows, all those things. They're able to give you the same level of quality regardless of what the canvas looks like. So the best way to get your color work done is to make sure that your artist understands color theory. That doesn't mean they have to be, colored or, black, white, whatever. It doesn't matter what color the skin of your artist is. They just have to understand color theory and how it works when it heals, when you heal over time. And the only way to have that knowledge is to really check out their portfolio or have that conversation with your artist. Because if you're sitting there and you're asking for color and you've never seen them do color and they're not telling you anything about anything, and they're like, yeah, I can slap red on you, yeah, I can put purples on you, yeah, I can put blues and pinks and some white, it's time to maybe rethink what you're doing and walk out of that room, get out of there, and find an artist that can take care of you. That is my best advice, is find somebody who knows the color theory if you are like me and you want to get color ink with your tattoos. All right, thanks for checking us out.